This video is going to teach you how to make a stained glass piece of artwork that you can hang in your window, and it will be like a sun catcher. You'll use tissue paper, Mod Podge, black construction paper, and a scissors to do this. The first thing you need to get is a black sheet of paper. This was 18 inches long. I cut it in half. Now it's 9 inches. So when you get your sheet of paper, the first thing you're going to do is fold it in half. You want to make sure that these corners line up really well together. That is really, really important. You can't have one end hanging over or it will not turn out correct. So here's what I do. Go like this, get them lined up as best as you can. Put your finger down. Then you take your other hand and slide back, slide back, slide back. Okay, as you're looking at it, if you notice it's not exactly lined up perfectly, just take your time and do what I just did. Again, making sure that the corners are lined up. All right, so now it looks like you have a black book. This is the spine of your black book. This is where we're going to be doing our working from today, from the spine side of the book. Okay, here's the spine side. Then you need to pick out an object that you want for the center. You can choose a tree, butterfly, heart. I have all different kinds of shapes for you to choose. The tree is the hardest one because you can see there's a lot of different lines in it, diagonal lines, straight lines. This is the trickiest, but I will use this one for the demonstration. All right, so you're going to want to use the side that says that you wrote on. It says tree template. You want those words facing up. You're going to position it on here so it is right lined up against the spine, and you want it to be in the exact center of this. So you don't want it way up here or way down here. You want it right in the center. So there's the same amount of room on this side as there is this side. Okay? Then if you want, this will help you be able to trace. Get a paper clip, put it on here, and put it on here, and that will help hold it in place. Otherwise, if you don't have one, you just put your hand down like I'm doing, and you're going to trace around each part of your object. You want to make sure you do this as nice and neatly as possible because you're going to have to do this a second time. And if you go too fast, they're going to be not exactly identical. And then the end result is that your project won't turn out as neat. So we want to make these as neat as possible because there's something that will last many years that you can have hanging up in your house, and they're an awesome decoration. Now you're going to cut exactly on that pencil line. Once again, please do not be in a rush or you will probably make a mistake. Okay, taking your time, cutting. Now, this is extremely important. You don't want to make any cuts over in this side of the open book. Do not cut at all over here. You're only making cuts from the spine side.